10 hours driving, 1035 kilometers done from Barcelona directly to the border with Germany. Today, actually tonight, is a layover here in a hotel, and tomorrow I'm heading to Berlin. We'll stay there 2 days and gonna do the final workshop of this insane European breaking tour. Finally, we are in Berlin. I don't have too much time to visit different places here, just 1 day before the class. So of course, one of the spots I visited is the Berlin Wall that you can see behind me. It's absolutely insane to imagine that this wall was dividing Berlin to two parts, Soviet part and British, USA and French part. And so many people were like struggling to survive and were killed while they were trying to go through the wall. Now, this is the monument. This is just a part of the history, but a good reminder how hardcore things can be.
JB, you enjoying your friends? Yeah, you're going. Все. Ну все, давай. Guys, you good?
Yeah, really good, man. charming, disarming. Your intellect controls your heart and soul. And your cool, detached attitude means only Libra or Aquarius can touch down on your goal.